Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So I'm actually excited to open this one. So okay, before that I'll just tell you about this brand. So this is by a company called or a brand named Mini Auto. So I don't know how many people actually heard about this brand, but no, this is the first time I actually heard about it. So I just went ahead and bought this one. So in Indian money, this costed me around like 1,200 rupees, but in Amazon, I just saw like for around like 950 or 980 rupees. It's like 200 rupees less. So okay, let's have a closer look of the box first. So it's 1:32 scale. It is a pullback. So personally, I'm not a fan of pullback, but these kind of cars actually have some great detailing. For example, if you take any of the skin smart cars, that is actually really bang for a buck. It's like the price is really on the affordable range, and it has a lot of great detailing, including engine detailing as well. So that's the one reason I buy all these things, especially on the kin smart. I don't. This is the first time I bought this, mini auto one. Okay, let's get to the next one. It has openable doors and all, and it has light and music. So need to check on that one how it works. So let's open it and see. Okay, let's open this one now. Okay. So here it is, and okay, it is supposed to be this way, facing this way, but I think they must have just opened and repacked this one. Yeah, you can see the brand here, Mini Auto. Okay, but the color looks really amazing. The white looks really phenomenal, and the trims here, the golden trims here, you can see this looks really awesome. Okay, let me just unscrew this one. Just give me a second, guys. I'll just unscrew this one and get back to you. So here it is, guys. It was really so tight, so it was hard to remove. Okay, finally I got it out, and I gotta say, this looks really amazing, and it has a lot of weight to it. And I don't know how to turn on the lights on this one. I don't see any switches here. Okay. Okay, let me just. Oh. Okay, now it is turning on. I don't know how I did that one, but let's see. Okay. I hope you guys can see the interior here. This looks really solid, Doesn't even feel remotely cheap. The door closes really nice. And you can pop up the spoiler. And let me just try this. Yep, we got it. Okay, here it is. The detailings are really great on this one, and it is not loose or anything. It's perfectly, it sits really well. The tires are actually made of rubber. This looks really awesome, man. I didn't expect this to be on this level. It really has all the detailings, especially for the price point. It looks really amazing. So normally, if you buy cars like Maisto, with this kind of or Buburago, it usually acts. I do have one more in Buburago. It's a Huracan Performante. I will unbox that soon in the upcoming days. So it costed me like more than like I think around 2,500, 3,000 rupees in Indian money. So this really cost. It is not even half of that, but it does have a lot of great detailings and openable parts. And again, I don't know how I triggered that sound and lights, but let me just try again. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I got it. So we need to just press the bonnet here. How awesome is that one? Dude, it literally lights up, see. Okay, let's try one more time. I don't know whether we need to put our hands. Let me just do it one more time for you guys. Oh yeah. This looks awesome, man. I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy more from this particular brand. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is the only thing I really don't like, but still, anyway, we are not going to play with it. We are just going to keep it in the display. So that's it. And yeah, one more look at it. Okay, I think, while we are opening the door, it gives that sound. Let's try one more time. Exactly. So if you open the door, it is giving the sounds, this lock and open sounds. Wow, that was really nice. I really didn't expect this to be on this level, but I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. The entire body here is full of metal and it's made of metal. Only I think this part is made of plastic, and yeah, only the chassis is made of plastic, but rest of the part is fully made of metal, and it is so heavy. Okay guys, so that's it for today. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me so that I can put a lot more great content like this. Here you go, one more time. Exactly. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.